Hey, what's up, my millionaire brothers? So, what's going on? And this time, in the current situation, the crypto market has totally ended the loss. You can see here, especially Bitcoin, one of the top cryptocurrency, they especially very badly falls down. You can see here minus 10 point, they lost, and Ethereum also bad fall. Every cryptocurrency, you can see here the market red. Every cryptocurrency, Dutch coin is one of the fastest cryptocurrency. In the previous days, they gone like a rocket, my friends. But Dutch coin absolutely very falls down. But I think you can see it minus 3.41%, they just falls down. So this is not a high fall, but absolutely Dutch coin is good from this time investment. Absolutely, if you invest in Dutch coin, exactly this is good time. I hope in upcoming days they go on very costly up. So the Dutch coin absolutely falls down, and this time every cryptocurrency, channel link VChain is one of the fastest cryptocurrencies. Steeler is absolutely gone down. Tita network file coin, you can see here. So what's the current situation of Ankr coin? You can see here the Ankr is also fails down minus 19.53%. Oh my goodness, Ankr holder this time is very bad situation, very bad situation in this time. And the Ankr holder, a lot of people ask me to what we do. We are hold it from 3 weeks. What we do, we please tell me to this is selling time, holding time, or buying time. So I also tell you in this video, I also share my opinion in this video to this is selling time or buying time or holding time. And also I tell you my what's my prediction today. They go up in upcoming days or they fails down. So let's get started without any time waste. But I request you, please click the like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more this type video. I hope you subscribe it. Thank you so much, my brother. Thank you so much. Okay guys, come to the point. This time, if you can see here, my brother, the current price is 0.20453 US dollar as the latest price in the last 1 hour. You can see here the last 24-hour latest price, and you can see here the minus 20.78% change occurred in the last 24 hours. This is negative, and every cryptocurrency I already show you the crypto market as already very badly falls down, my brother. So absolutely, Ankr is also going down. Okay, I draw a chart, my friends, for a prediction. Okay, this time you can see here I draw a chart, my friends. This time, if you can see here, they fails down. Absolutely, this point at the fails point, you can see here after that fails, they take a good jump, my friends. They take a good jump. So after this jump, they take a very bad dump. You can see here their bad dump, and after the bad dump also they take a good jump. You can see here. So the fails, after fails, they take jump. So, and you can see here after jump that fails down. Absolutely. So I think this is the point they fails down. Absolutely. And minus 20.78% they gone down. So this is fails time. Everybody know this. I understand Ankr has fell down in this time, but at the next point as jump point. So I hope in the next point they gone up, my friend. They gone up. They just go up in upcoming days. So please just wait for a good time. I hope they are going up in upcoming days. They give you a very good price. Absolutely, they give you a good price, my friend. So please you just wait and don't sell it. Please hold it and wait for a 1 week or 2 week. I hope they give you a good profit. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video. If this video is informative for you, please like it and subscribe our YouTube channel for more this type informative videos. Allah Hafiz, take care.